our Boho Beautiful official app. Download it today in the App Store.
Hello friends, welcome to day 1 of the 15-minute 7-day bootcamp series. So for the next 7 days, we're going to be meeting for 15 minutes a day and working different areas of the body to help you build strength and really just recharge your overall strength, physical well-being, and rejuvenate your body from inside out. So for today's practice, what we're going to do is actually work the entire body. So we're going to work the body in different sections, only 15 minutes. I promise you it will be worth it. You won't need any sort of equipment, no props, just yourself and maybe a little bit of water. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start today in downward facing dog. So I want you to go ahead and plant your hands down, tuck your toes, release the heels, maybe bend your knees a little bit. Let's just take a second here. Taking a deep breath in, elongate the neck. Exhale out and just hold for a moment. We're gonna start with our first exercise, which will be a variation of a plank into a tricep push-up. So how it's gonna go is first we're going to slightly bend the knees. Exhale, push out into a high plank position. Drop the knees to the mat. Come down into tricep push-up. Bring it back up. Extend the knees into plank. Push back, downward dog. Let's continue. If you want to really challenge yourself, you can stay in a full high plank and do a full high push-up if that feels good. Down, up, extend, downward dog, and again, plank, and drop the knees, push up, back to plank, downward dog. You got it. Let's start to connect with our breath here. Extend, downward dog, inhale, plank, exhale, drop, inhale down, exhale up, inhale, extend, exhale, push back, downward facing dog. All right, we got 3 more of these, and then we're gonna continue to work a little bit more on our upper body. Bring it up, drop the knees, down, push up, extend to plank, back down, and last time, plank, drop to the knees, drop it down into push up, bring it back up, extend into plank, holding here. Breathing deeply, pull the navel into the spine. Really think of your form here and just start to move your weight forward and back. 2, really start to fire up the core. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Drop down to the knees. Bring those elbows in. Let's do a set of 8 push-ups. That's it, just 8. Bring it down. 8. Press up. 7. So we're again working those triceps. 6. 5. If you are ready to really fire up from the start, of course, you can do this without the modification of the knees on the mat. 2 and 1. Awesome. Come back into plank. You guys, this is only 15 minutes, so we're not gonna stop. I want you to push yourself to your best, okay? So just to that limit. Come on down to your elbows, holding this elbow plank now. Now you're just gonna double tap your knees to the floor. 1, 2, extend into plank. That's it. 1, 2, plank. 1, 2, plank. So start to really feel that core firing up. 1, 2, plank. Pull the navel into the spine. Make sure your back is nice and straight. You're not in any sort of arched position. Keep going. 1, 2, Last 2. Last 1. You got it, you guys. Drop it down to the knees. Woo, good job. All right, stay on your elbows. If you do want to make it a little bit easier, come on up to your hands, okay? But I want you to remain on your knees no matter where your arms are. You're going to extend your right leg. Now, if you are on the knees, what you're going to do is just slightly move your body forward as if you are doing an elbow plank and really begin to feel your core engaged. From here, point your right toes. We're just going to kick the leg up and lower. 2 and 3. So what this does, now we're starting to really get deep into our glutes, into our lower body, while at the same time still continuing to fire up that core. So we're targeting 2 different parts of the body at the same time. Good. Just a kick, lower with control. Try not to arch the back. So it's not about kicking the leg as high as you can and losing that form. So remain with that core engaged, navel to the spine. Just work from the glute muscle. Not about the height, it's about the feeling of that. You're feeling that muscle firing up. 4, you got it. 3, 2, hold it here. Hold the navel into the spine. You got it. Hold it, and just a little tiny pump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now tap your toes to the right. Lift, tap the toes to the left. If this is getting too difficult, my friends, come on up to your hands and just do the same exercise with your hands on the mat. Okay? Otherwise, stay in that shifted variation of an elbow plank while we get deep into those glutes. Good. To bring strength, rejuvenation, flexibility. You got it. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Back to center. Now lift that knee and just pivot. So now we're going to open up into a supported elbow and knee side plank. And now just reach up, lower the hips, lift the hips up. That's it. 1, lower, and 2. So starting to now awaken the obliques. Lower, 4, 5. Keep that arm extended. 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. Now reach with that top arm all the way to the front of your mat. And then kick that arm up to the sky. Kick your leg up. And then lower both down. That's it. 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. You got it, my friends. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. Lift it up, hold, and then drop it down. Come on over to your elbows. Reposition yourself. Let's come on up into our elbow plank. Just hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the belly. All right, this is your only break. I'm going to give you 1 breath in. Exhale out. Just stay in your baby cobra. This is a moment where you can just regain that strength. This is our day 1. I promise you, your body will get stronger. All of this will get easier if you just stick with me and dedicate yourself to your daily 15 minutes a day. All right, you guys, let's do the other side. All right, so we're going to start coming back over to our first plank position, this time staying on our elbows. Double tap of the knees to the mat. 1, 2, elbow plank. 1, 2, plank. 1, 2, plank. Work that core. Pull the navel to the spine. 1, 2, plank. 1, 2, plank. 1, 2, plank. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Come down to both elbows. Maybe release the hands reposition your body a little bit to make sure you're nice and square. Again, my friends, come on up to your hands if it's just getting too much on the shoulders. Otherwise, I want you to stay on your elbows. Then we're gonna bring your weight forward, tuck your back toes underneath, extend your left leg out, navel to the spine. So again, to make it more challenging, bring your weight forward. You're gonna kick that left leg up and lower down, that's it. Kick and 2, kick and 3. And even just with this very slight repositioning of our weight, staying on the elbows with the weight forward, not only are we forcing ourselves to engage the core, but you're also gonna really feel this in the shoulders. So just from this one exercise, we're actually doing a full body toning here. Shoulders, core, and glutes. You got it. Kick with control. You can always modify if this gets too much. Remember, you got to listen to your body. Set your own expectations. Set your own limitations. Last 4, 3, 2, hold it up, and just give me a pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got 10 more. 10, 9, breathe. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, tap to one side of the mat, kick, tap the other side of the mat. That's it. Tap and tap. Tap and tap. Just be very mindful of your positioning. Feel this in the glutes. Feel this in the shoulders. Feel this in the core. You got it. Tap, tap. Last 4 and 3, 2, 1. You got it. Back to center. Feel free to drop that leg. Now lift that bottom foot. Come down onto your right shoulder and let's pivot and open ourselves up into a supported side plank. I'm just going to do a quick little flip over here so you can see my front and not my back. All right, so we're going to hold it here. First, very easy, just waking up the obliques. Lower and lift. That's it. Lower and 2. Lower and 3. Lower, 4, 5. You got it. 6, 7, 8. Good. Last one. I want you to hold, hold, hold. Now reach that top arm all the way towards the front of your mat. Kick the arm and leg up and lower. That's 1. Up and 2. Up and 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo, good job. 7, 8, 9. Last one. Hold it. Just pull the navel to the spine. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop it down. Well done, you guys. All right, from here, I want you to come right over towards your hands and knees position again. We got one last exercise to go. We're going to finish this off with a bang. High plank position. You're going to go ahead and touch your right elbow with your right knee, left elbow with your left knee. Hop towards the center. Come on up. You're going to do a nice big deep chair squat. Then from here, elbow to knee, elbow to knee. That counts as 1. Bring the hands down, jump right into high plank. And we do it again. Let's go. Elbow to knee, elbow to knee. Hop forward. Squat it down, bring it up, twist and twist. Feel free to go faster. Feel free to slow it down. 1, 2, hop forward and squat and twist, twist. Bring it down, plank. 1, 2, hop forward and up, chair squat, bring it up, twist and twist. You got it, you guys. Give me only 4 more of these. Good. Forward, up, squat, up, twist and twist. Working the core, working the shoulders, and the lower body. Again, full body workout here. And also a little bit of that heat build up through some cardio. 1, 2, hop forward, up, squat, up, twist, twist. You got it. Last one, you guys. 1, 2, hop forward, up, squat it down, bring it up, twist, twist, bring it down, hop back into your plank position, and last 15 seconds. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cross, elbow to knee, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. Whew, and you're done. Good job, you guys. All right, come on down into a little child's pose. Come on up. Well done. That was it. In and out. You guys worked your entire body. I'm so proud of you. Take a second to come back to your body. Calm your body down. And we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks again. Thank you again for joining me for this full body workout. I hope you feel amazing right now. I sure definitely broke a sweat in that 15 minutes. I just wanted to let you guys know that day 1 and day 2 will be available here for you to enjoy on YouTube. However, the rest of the Bootcamp series will be available on our Boho Beautiful official app and streaming platform. The great thing about all of this is that this is a 7-day challenge, and we offer a 7-day free trial on our app and streaming platforms. So all you have to do is either go to the App Store, download our app, or click the link below in the description of this video and go directly to our streaming platform, sign up, stay for the 7 days, join me every single day for 15 minutes a day, and then see how that feels for you. There's no risk at all. If it doesn't feel well, cancel anytime, or maybe you'll enjoy some other of our exclusive content that resonates with you, and that could be a beautiful addition to your life. Either way, thank you again, and I'll see you in our next class.